here's the step-by-step on how to do it. So step 1, I've got my drives open here. I've plugged in an external hard drive. You can plug in a USB stick, depends on how much you're backing up. But this is why I tend to back up mine. So I'll show you how to do it as well. So first things first, if you want to get to this screen, just click on the yellow folder at the bottom of the screen, or this PC will take you to the same location. So let's do the yellow folder. Left click it. Should see this screen. We'll do a full PC backup first, and I'll show you how to do individual files after this. So stick around for that. So come down to the left hand side here, click this PC. Then click on local disk C. And then yours have your username here. I've got a hashtag on mine. This is a demo PC. Whatever your username is, it should be the same one when you log online. You see it on your home page. So double click your username. And this is a list of all your files. So just click any one. Press Ctrl and A. And then Ctrl and C. Or you can just click on copy up here. Choice is yours. So then we need somewhere to copy them to. This is where you plug in your USB drive or your external backup drive. Once you've done that, move this across to this side of the screen. Bring your mouse up here. And then we're going to click on this left-hand window right here. And this should put this on this side. And then on the right-hand side of the screen, if you come down here to the yellow folder, right-click and do File Explorer. Left click, it'll bring up a second window. If you hold down your mouse on this one, you can either drag it to the right hand side of the screen, or you can come up here to the square box and then left click on this one. So on your second window, left click on your backup drive. So it's important to create a folder with today's date on it, otherwise you're going to have chaos. If you need to rename the folder, you can either click up here, rename, or you can press F2 on the keyboard. So I'm going to click up here. I'll say backup 170425. And then once you put your name in, just press enter. That'll take you inside the folder. You can tell you're inside because it's up here. It says new volume and backup folder. Come over to our left folder. Highlight everything. Hold on the left mouse button. Drag a box over it and drag it from left to right. It should say it says copy backup. And let go. And it'll start the copying process. Depending on how many files you've got, this may take a while. If you get this error on the screen, tick this box saying do not do this for current items. And then just click on skip. And there you go. Full backup is complete. If you want to do a file by file backup, let's say pictures for argument's sake, make sure on your backup drive, just double click pictures so you've got the same folder open on both sides. You can literally just drag and drop any pictures or any picture folders straight onto your backup drive and away you go. You can do them individually, or if you hold down the control key, you can select certain ones to back up and drag them across. I already got this one, so I'll just say replace. And there you go. This also works for documents as well. So if you've got CVs, just drag those across, but make sure you're in the right folder first. So click on backup today's date, go to documents, drag and drop your documents to documents, and away you go from there. You could also use OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox to do a cloud backup. If you want me to do a video on that, just drop cloud backup in the comments, and I'll get to that video next. How often should you back up? Do a full backup once a month or any time before any big updates or system changes. Do a file backup weekly if you're working on important stuff. That's it, you're done. Your files are now safe on an external drive, and you've just unlocked the confidence to start optimizing and tweaking your PC without fear. You created a dated backup folder, used the split window to drag and drop, created 3 backups, and deleted the oldest backup. It's always recommended you keep 3 separate backups with 3 separate dates. Once you create a new one, you delete the 4th one. Let me know in the comments where you backed up your files. Hit the like if this gave you peace of mind, and subscribe to keep building smart PC habits the easy way.